This homemade salt trick will make you hard in 15 seconds and you'll have the best performance in bed with your wife. Now pay attention. Go to the kitchen and grab a pinch of salt, yes, salt, and try this 15-second trick discovered by Harvard scientists that increases blood flow by 342% in over 100,000 men. Forget pills and pumps that only cause embarrassment. This salt trick is natural, easy, discreet, and helps men be ready whenever they need to be. Rock solid. All you need to do is use this 15-second trick during your bath and watch the magic happen. Let me tell you a secret. Movie stars have been using this trick for years. That's why they're always ready for 2, 3, or even 4 rounds. And now you can too. It doesn't matter if you're 25 or over 55. The famous morning wood will be inevitable. Want to know how it works? I'll show you exactly how to do it. But let's be honest. This method can be complicated. That's why they developed Nitrox Pro, a simple, powerful solution to boost blood flow and restore confidence effortlessly. Stocks are limited, so don't wait. Click the first link in the description now and secure yours before it's too late.